Okay, sorry about that. I started, but I wasn't sure you could see the screen. So I put these comments over here to the side, but I wanted to touch base with you. And so the first thing that I put was like, that was what I said at the beginning, that this is not really an original title. So here you need to write an original title of your own. And then here, when you put these like this, but the comment that I put was, you know, you're trying to connect two complete sentences with no punctuation, and you actually did that a couple of times in this first sentence. So go back and look at that. And then I've started highlighting you and your, because that's not what we need to use. It's a personal essay, right? So you don't need to say you or your. You can say I, me, my. And then you see where you have on this screen, you have blue, things that are underlined in blue. What I was saying is go through and look at all of those. When you see blue underlined, you can click on it and it gives you a suggestion for editing. Maybe you don't want to use that suggestion, but at least you can see it, right? And then another thing that I noticed was, I didn't put that comment, but I'm just going to say this. Every time you have a title of a particular show or book or comic, you have to put capital letters. And usually it is written in italics. And then also I wanted to make sure that you saw these comments down here about adding details to what you have. So would you go look at this stuff and then make some changes before you turn in your final draft?